Hello, my friends. I need you to put your running shoes on and run to the website right now. Stampsoflife.com. Run now, because we have available the collection bundle for all of these amazing products that we just released it for our all bundled up stamp and die set for the Stamp and Die Hard Club. Now, we've added on these cute little guys. This is going to be a fast video. I just want you to see the extra items in the collection because you're going to want to get them on flash sale prices, and ding, 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 the full collection is also available at a special price. So we have these two cute little guys here. We're adding the dies, of course, as well. We're also adding the die words hello there, which are so fun. We also have the stencils that go with all the dies, and I'm sorry, with all of the stamped images from the club set and this set, and our fun little winter beanie that has an extra die because I couldn't stop and I wanted that cute little zigzag. And yes, it does come with those snowflakes. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. There is a video where I show you all the fun samples, but go get the collection now before it runs out. I'll see you there, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.